कैसे आसमान में सुराख नहीं हो सकता, एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो। कुछ ऐसे ही चंद लफ्ज रगों में बहते थे तब और अब भी, जब खोने को कुछ ना हो, कुछ कर दिखाने की चाह बन गई राह और हाथ ने थाम लिया लक्सर, तो जिंदगी के सादे पन्नों को वजूद मिल गया। क्योंकि सादे पन्नों पर लिखा था, इतिहास उन्हें ही याद रखता है जो इतिहास रच देते हैं। The year was 1962. A 19-year-old boy decided to chase his dream. The dream to start a noble business of manufacturing writing instruments. With just 5,000 rupees borrowed from his father, he began with an 80 square feet manufacturing unit in Delhi's Sadar Bazaar. The boy was none other than Mr. D.K. Jain, and this was the beginning of Luxor in India.
I think it's a great story to follow, to emulate, and to be proud of. To start from, as the young lady just said, from a small little room and then rising to great heights.
In 1971, they started large-scale manufacturing of fiber-tip color pen sets. Within just 4 years, Luxor went on to become the first to introduce microtip pens in India. By now, pioneering firsts had become a tradition at Luxor, and in 1978, they introduced India to its first roller ball pen. In 1982, Mr. Jain took up the challenge to bring back Pilot to the country. He went to Japan and convinced the Japanese that he could restart their Pilot business in India. By importing 100,000 Pilot pen components and assembling them, Mr. D.K. Jain brought back to India Pilot and Pilot High-Tech Needlepoint. Mr. D.K. Jain's fascination with Parker traces back to the time when he saw his first Parker at his father's shop. Since then, it was his burning desire to acquire the Arrow clip, and in 1996, he did just that. Following a joint venture with Gillette, Luxor brought to India the Parker legacy. At the turn of the new millennium, Amitabh Bachchan, the legend of Indian cinema and the country's biggest superstar, became Parker's first brand ambassador. Through his persona, he communicated the joy of writing with a Parker.
It's better not to write if you don't have a Luxor. Luxor pens, CD writers, markers, sketch pens, highlighters.
सर ये तो पार्कर है।
हाँ, ये भी लक्सर से ही तो है। Parker and Waterman. Exciting writing from Luxor.
Luxor has also been bestowed with the coveted super brand title. Having made its mark in India, in 1990, Luxor decided to take its years of expertise to international shores, giving birth to Luxor International. Luxor International exports to most parts of Europe, Asia, Australia, Africa, as well as both North and South America. Luxor International has received awards and accolades both nationally and internationally.
Luxor has made great headways in the field of real estate developments with its initiative to construct state-of-the-art commercial complexes and residential townships. To specialize in fiber optics, Luxor invested in Aksh Optic Fibers. In the year 2009, Luxor took a big step. Luxor Express Shop in Shops in leading malls and retail stores brings the entire range of Luxor under one roof. Luxor continued its innovation. 2010, it brought to India yet another first-in-class product. Luxor Nano. This revolutionary cleaning solution gives a 2-in-1 advantage as compared to regular cleaners. With an extensive range covering all the needs of the consumers. Luxor Nano also launched another first, Luxor Nano Mold Release Solution for the entire plastic injection mold industry. Year 2011, Luxor signed Bollywood star Deepika Padukone as the brand ambassador for Luxor and Pilot
I guess it depends which marker you use, right?
to touch the hearts and souls of the emerging youth of India through her unimitable energy and persona.
4 is equal to 1. Gel chodo, pilot pakdo.
Pilot writes 4 times longer than a gel.
ये किताब यहीं खत्म नहीं होती, क्योंकि अभी इसके बहुत से ज्यादा पन्नों को हमें देना है वजूद.
Luxor is committed to empowering India and it supports underprivileged children and women across the country through its public service initiative, Luxor Foundation.
बहुत से हाथों में थमाना है अवसर. आप चाहें तो लक्सर कह लें.